Hey you guys, it's Star. Thank you so much for tuning into the video. I hope you're having a good day or night whenever you are watching. So yes, y'all, we're reporting live from Walgreens and we're about to get into a really easy, really free situation. So I want to keep it really simple this week. And honestly, you guys, I've been traumatized from the way that my orders online kept getting canceled last week. So I decided to bring my tail on in here and actually do some in-store couponing this week and just keep it really, really simple. So that's what we're going to do. So the first thing I am going to get started with is some money makers because we need to make some money this week to pay for some household products. So the first thing we're going to do is this oral care promotion on the Crest and Oral-B products. So select products are on sale for $3, and then when you buy two, you are going to get back a $4 register reward. Now, this is very important to pay attention to because this is a different promotion than this promotion over here where oral care products are $4 and you buy three and get back $5 in Walgreens cash. So you want to be very careful on which one you are picking up because these are different promos. So for my first set of deals, I am actually going to be grabbing the $3 items. I want to pick up a total of two of them, and I'm going to repeat this deal a couple times in order to run my money up because this is going to be a $2 money maker each time that we do it. So let me show you how this works. So you want to pick up two of these items. This totals up to $6. You can do this deal all digital if you still have the digitals available for these products. I did use paper coupons because I used some of my digitals last week. So you can buy two of these for $6. Use the $2 digital coupon for the Crest. Use the $2 digital coupon for the Oral-B. That'll leave you to pay just $2 at the register, and you can use Walgreens cash to pay, and then you are going to get back $4 in register rewards, and that is going to make these two items a $2 moneymaker. Now, the next deal I want to show you is how to do this deal if you want to do the buy three, get five. So in this deal, we're going to pick up one of these Oral-B toothbrushes for $4 and use that $2 digital coupon, or you can use the paper coupon as well. Then as the next two items in this deal, I'm going to be picking up two of these Always products. So these products, the Flex Foam, are on sale 2 for $10. And once again, you want to watch which ones that you pick up. You definitely want to pick up just the ones that are 2 for $10. We do have two $3 digital coupons that are attaching to these products. And with these Always products, do scan them to make sure that your two $3 coupons are attaching. And those digitals may be exclusive, so I'm not sure they're going to be on everyone's account. So definitely check before you make your purchase that you do have them available. So this will total up to $14. You want to use the $2 digital for the Oral-B, the $3 digital for this, the $3 digital for that. That's going to bring you down to $6 to pay at the register, and you can use Walgreens cash to pay. After you pay the $6, you're going to get back $5 in Walgreens cash, making each of these items only 33 cents, which is an amazing price. I'm also grabbing the Poise this week. This is a great filler item if you are trying to reach a certain amount for a spin booster. So these are on sale for $5.99. We have a $3 digital coupon and a $2 store coupon that makes these only 99 cents. So I'm going to be using some of my money makers today to pay for some Arm & Hammer. Y'all, I just started using the Arm & Hammer liquid and I have fallen in love with it. I had tried these Arm & Hammer packs before and I didn't care for them, but y'all, this liquid has me so hooked. It might be one of my favorite detergents right now. So I knew I wanted to stock up. So these are on sale, buy one at $7.49 and then you get two free. So what I'm doing this week is I'm picking up three of the liquids for $7.49, and I won't be using any manufacturer coupons, but I am going to use my register rewards from the oral care to pay for these. I'm also going to allow my money makers to pay for some Scott this week. So these are buy one, get one 50% off, and the regular price is $5. So two of them will total you up to $7.50. We have a $1 digital coupon that will make these two for $6.50. So we're going to pick up these and I'm going to show you how it's all going to work out in the end. Also, remember to scan your receipt to fetch rewards to see if you get any points for the Scott as well, because that can make this an even better deal if you have offers available. So now I'm going to show you how I put all of these deals together in order to get these items for free. So I'm going to be using a total of 2 spin boosters today. One is going to be spend 20, get back $5 in Walgreens cash. The other one is going to be a paper booster that we're going to stack onto that for spend 25, get 7. So we're going to get back $12 in Walgreens cash today just off of our boosters alone. And then we're also going to get some from our purchases as well. So let me show you my complete haul. And I should also mention that we have a ton of personal care deals going on this week on Suave, on Tresemme, on Garnier. I saw all of those deals and I saw the spend 30 get 10. I was not interested in those deals because I don't need any more shampoo and I didn't want to have a high out of pocket this week. So that's why I aimed my deals towards household items this week. All right, you guys, so this is my complete Walgreens haul for this week. Decided to keep it really easy, really simple, and really free. So with this deal, what I did is I did the oral care deal that we started out talking about because this is a $2 moneymaker. When I saw this deal, I knew that this was going to be the deal to help me pay for my household products this week. So I did this deal a total of 3 times, the exact same transaction. And 2 of the transactions, I just picked up 1 toothbrush, 1 toothpaste, and 1 of them I picked up 2 of the toothpaste. So here is a close-up of how that transaction looks. So you just want to buy 2 of the $3 oral care items. Use 2 of the $2 coupons. You can use the digitals or the paper versions. Then that's going to bring your total to $2. And then I redeemed $2 in Walgreens cash and just paid the tax only on those transactions. So for that, I spent out a total of $6 in Walgreens cash, but in return, I got back $12 in register rewards. So I doubled my money. And I wanted those register rewards because those register rewards function as manufacturer coupons, and I can use those in spend transactions in order to reduce my out of pocket. So in my second transaction, what I did is I picked up 3 of the Arm & Hammer, the Poise, and the Always. I also got 1 of the $4 toothbrushes because I wanted to do the buy 3, get 5 with the Always and the Oral-B. So with that, that brought my subtotal up to $27.48. After the $2 IBC for the Poise, that brought me down to $25.48. And then I threw in a $7 paper point booster for spend 25, get back 7 to make this a really good deal. So since we were at $25, after that store coupon came off, that was good to go. So then I used the 2 $4 register rewards. So I used 2 out of the 3 $4 register rewards and let those attach to the Arm & Hammer. I used the $3 digital coupon for the Poise and then the 2 $3 digital coupons for the Always. Now I was supposed to have a $2 digital for one of the Oral-B products as well, but that did not come off. So let me show you how this transaction worked out. So there's the 2 Arm & Hammer, buy 2, get 1 free. There's the 2 Always, 2 for 10. There's the Poise with the $2 store coupon. And then there is the Oral-B toothbrush. There is my point booster. There is the $3 digital for the Poise and the 2 $3 digitals for the Always. After those 2 $4 register rewards, my subtotal came up to $8.48. Now this should have been $6.48. So I'll have to reach out to customer service to get that $2 for the Oral-B that should have come off. So this should be $6.48. But after paying that $8.48, and I did pay that in cash because of the point boosters that I was using a spend 20 get 5 and that paper booster as well. So since I was stacking those, I needed to go on ahead and pay cash because I didn't have enough in coupons to cover a $25 balance. After I paid that $8.48, I did get back a total of $17.25 in Walgreens cash. So we got all of our money back plus some. So from transaction number 1, we spent out $6 in Walgreens cash. In this transaction, we spent out $8.48. So we were down $14.48, but we got back $17.25. So this transaction with the Arm& and Hammer, the Poise, and the Always put us up $2.77. So since I knew I was up 277, I went on ahead and decided to use that money to get myself some Scott toilet paper. So this is how that transaction worked out. So these are two for $7.50, and then I used the $1 digital coupon. I used that third $4 register reward that we got in our first set of transactions, and that brought my subtotal down to $2.50. I paid that $2.50 plus tax and Walgreens cash. I only had to pay 3 cents out of pocket. And there you go. Voila, we have gotten all of these items for free. And then once I reach out to Walgreens customer service and let them know about the $2 digital not coming off for the Oral-B, this will actually be a $2 moneymaker. But even with that digital not applying, all of these products are still free $99. So I am happy to stock up on things that I really wanted, like the Arm& and Hammer and the Scott, for completely free. So I hope these deals were helpful to you all. If they were, please remember to hit that thumbs up button and subscribe to my channel if you have not already. I would love to have you here. I thank you all so much for watching today's video. And as always, I will talk to you soon. Bye, you guys.